Greetings and salutations. Sorry, I did that too. So, greetings and salutations, my friends. I'm gonna be playing Fractions on the Wooden M. Part 2 of Fractions on the Wooden M. Yay! Today I'm gonna be decorating a little bit. But first, let's try to find a raid. But I'm gonna do that in a different episode because this episode just doesn't go on. So I just don't like the ground of this. Like, I made this ground look disgusting. So I'm gonna mine it a little, get a little bit better. I'm just using this wooden pickaxe because my normal pickaxe is about to break and this one is pretty much full health. And I never really use these. Like, I get them, I use them for the first 3 blocks, and then I don't do anything with them. I'll be right back. I just gotta talk to my little brother for a second. Goodbye for a second. Hello, my friends. I just had to talk to my little brother a little bit about some stuff that he didn't know how to do. Shh. So I'm just gonna be mining this stuff. I don't know why I became off that, whatever. I'll be back with you in a sec. Alright, you guys, I'm back and I've done a little bit more. As you can tell, I've bought a little bit of glowstone to go right here and right here because I just didn't like it. It's too dark. I've done all the floor and half of the wall. Stuff to do still. What? Yes, it does. Yeah, it does. So what I'm gonna, I know what I'm doing, GD. So I have 7 iron ore, which I'm not going to be using. Spawners. Cave spawner. Would buy these if somebody's just going to get it. Gem buckets. I have a question, you guys. What are these? Seriously, what are these? Like, I never know what that is. I know what the enchantments are, but I don't really know how to use that. There's nothing on auction right now. Mining this. So, I'm kind of confused on about half of those. I'm gonna buy some more coal if I have enough. Oops. I just pushed home. Yep, I have enough. Right, so I can only buy 1 piece of coal, but 1 piece of coal is gonna be probably enough to cook 10 iron ore. So I'm just gonna be letting that cook. I'm gonna do the rest of this. I'll see you in a couple of seconds. And good. Bye. Alright guys, I'm here and I'm back. And black over here. See the stars. Moon's out tonight. Okay, let's stop cheating. I mean, it's not cheating, but whatever. Oh no. So, I made the roof look beautiful. Also, when I was mining, found a little bit more stuff. Just a little bit. A lot of it. I'm gonna sell this coal because I already have 10 coal. That's way more than you need. And that gave me barely any, didn't it? Why did I just sell that? That gave me barely any. So it would be really helpful if somebody gave me some money. Like, if you play the Wooden M or Minecraft Central. No, that's another server I play. So look at this roof. It's beautiful. I think I might do this on every wall later. Maybe. Ammon, you can't look at this. This is an episode. What? If you guys pay me, not pay me. If you guys can do some stuff, help me, then I will be doing some stuff. I'll do an extra video, an extra long one.
So, how you would be able to pay Mr. Mine? You would be able to do it by doing /pay and then space and then capital B I G capital P A underscore
No. That was just my annoying brother who doesn't know how to spell. It's actually how you would do it is capital B I G capital P A P A and then capital G and then underscore mine and then pay me $1,000, okay? Okay, if you have $1,000, pay me them. And I'm actually gonna show you what server I'm playing on. It's called Minto Network. I don't know how to spell that, but whatever. I'm gonna play it some more. So I made the house really good. Like, look at that. Look at this. Looks awesome. Also, if you go on here, please don't rate me. I'm poor. Please don't rate me. So, like, you can rate me as in, like, give me 10 stars. But please just don't kill me or steal any of my stuff. In fact, I'm gonna make a hidden chest. Dang it, why did I say that? I'm gonna turn this off and make a hidden chest for a second. See you in a sec. Alright, guys, I'm back and I'm gonna try to cheat. I'm joking. I just wanna see the moon. Give me the moon. How do I see the moon? I'm inside my head. Look at that. I can see the back of my head. Whatever. Let's stop playing around and get to the funny business. We were just at the funny business. Whatever. I'm gonna push /wild to get me some buckets of ore. Sadly, I don't have enough iron to make a bucket, but hopefully I have enough for a bucket. Go to mining. The thing is, buckets? How do I get this? Help me. I don't want lava. I want water. Give me I need to find some more. You know what? I'm just gonna go to some beach, and I'm gonna see if I can buy any more mining. Nope. $45. I only have 14. Dang it! Thought I was really gonna be able to plant some sugarcane. I'm gonna plant some sugarcane right above. WILD 1, 2. Let's get some of this. Forgot what it's called. Sand. Yeah, whatever. I just love this because it looks like it's strolling. Mushrooms do look like it's strolling, doesn't it? Doesn't it? Now I'm gonna go back home. I'm gonna make area this is for my food. I'm gonna get a 3x5, 6. Nice, cool, I can sell cool. Right? Yeah, you can sell cool. Nice. Iron! 1 iron! 2 iron! That's all I needed. Nice. 3 iron! Nice. Right, I'm just gonna be mining this coal because it's in my way. And for right now, inside my sugarcane farm, all I'm gonna have is torches. That's all I'm gonna have in my sugarcane farm right now. So I don't have enough torches. Just it's the only thing that's gonna be lining them up. Light it up, 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 light it up, 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 light it up, 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 fire! Wow, this is a lot of coal. I could make a lot of money on this. But I'm actually not going to. Because needed quick stuff. Also in my way. It's gonna be a 6x6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just gonna cover this all up. Get this. Covenant trees, and now this goal above me. Nice, guys, enough for a bucket. This is on. I forgot. Okay. Well, I think it's time for me to end my episode since this has been a 12-minute long episode. I think I can see the stars. Let's go over here. No, go straight.